chicken?
Yep, chicken, beef patties, and sausages.
Looks delicious.
I know, right? It'll be ready soon. Is that barbecue? Yep, save your appetite. Are you by any chance grilling any vegetables? No. Why do you ask? Oh, Samantha, you know I'm a vegan! Oh yeah, I forgot. Sorry, Leah. You'll just have to eat chicken for once. Me? Eat chicken? Ugh.
Sam, can you drive me to Starbucks?
Oh, Chanel, can't you see I'm busy?
But Sam!
Oh, fine. Maddie, watch the grill. I'll be back soon. Here, Maddie, put these veggies on the grill.
Sure, Leah.
All right, everyone. Dinner is served.
Oh no!
What is my phone doing in the chicken?
Oops, I didn't have my glasses on. Sam, I'm so sorry.
That phone was expensive.
Sam, stop! Ow!